Exercise 3.6, question number 9. Prove that 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x equal to 4 cos x cos 2x into cos 3x. Left hand side is given in sum. The answer on the right hand side is in product. So now let us rewrite this first. Left hand side. LHS. 1 can be written as cos 0x. Because மற்ற எல்லா டேர்ம்ஸுமே காஸில் இருக்கிறதுனால this 1 we can write it as cos 0x. Because cos 0 is 1. So cos 0x plus cos 2x plus cos 4x plus cos 6x. First two terms. This is of the form cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Using this formula, this is 2 cos 0x plus 2x by 2 into cos 0x minus 2x by 2 plus. Similarly, these two terms together can be written as 2 cos 4x plus 6x by 2 into cos 4x minus 6x by 2. இல்லை இதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு எழுதிட்டு இதை செகண்ட் எழுதலாம். அதே மாதிரி இதை முன்னாடி எழுதிட்டு இதை பின்னாடி எழுதலாம். ரீஅரேஞ்ச் பண்ணியும் எழுதலாம். 2 ஆட் பண்ணி 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணினா cos x. ஹியர் minus 2x by 2 போடும்பொழுது cos of minus x plus 2 4x plus 6x is 10x by 2 பண்ணும்பொழுது 5x வரும். cos 5x சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணினா minus 2x அது 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணினா minus x cos of minus x. And you know cos of minus x is cos x. So this can be written as 2 cos x plus 2 cos 5x cos x. 2 cos x is common. Taking outside 2 cos x into cos x plus cos 5x. Again converting the sum into product. 2 cos 5x. இதை நான் மாற்றி எழுதியிருக்கேன். இதை ஃபஸ்ட்டு cos 5x முதல்ல எழுதிக்கிறேன் ப்ளஸ் cos x. 2 cos x into 2 cos 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 equal to 2 cos x into 2 cos 6x at 2ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணினா 3x into cos 4x by 2 is 2x. Multiplying 2 into 2 4. That is equal to 4 cos x cos 2x cos 3x. That is right hand side. Hence proved. Question number 10. Prove that sin theta by 2 sin 7 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 into sin 11 theta by 2 equal to sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta. We have these formulas. Sin A sin B equal to product sum or difference க்கு convert பண்ணலாம். Sin A sin B equal to half of cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Similarly, cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Using these two formulas, sin theta by 2 into sin 7 theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into cos of theta by 2 minus 7 theta by 2 minus cos of theta by 2 plus 7 theta by 2. Similarly, this can be written as 1 by 2 into cos of 3 theta by 2 minus 11 theta by 2 minus cos of 3 theta by 2 plus 11 theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of theta minus 7 theta is minus 6 theta by 2 minus 3 theta minus that 8 theta by 2 is 4 theta cos 4 theta plus 1 by 2 into cos of subtract பண்ணா minus 8 theta by 2 is minus 4 theta minus cos 14 theta by 2 is 7 theta. 1 by 2 common. So taking 1 by 2 outside, 1 by 2 into cos of minus 3 theta is cos theta, cos 3 theta minus cos 4 theta. Cos of minus 4 theta is cos 4 theta minus cos 7 theta. Minus cos 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. These two terms get cancelled. Equal to 1 by 2 into cos 3 theta minus cos 7 theta is equal to 1 by 2 into. This is of the form cos C minus cos D. Using the formula, this is 2 sin 3 theta plus 7 theta by 2 into sin 7 theta minus 3 theta by 2. 2 cancel ஆயிடும். This is sin 10 theta by 2 is 5 theta. Yes, sin 4 theta by 2 is 2 theta. Sin 5 theta into sin 2 theta. That is right hand side. Hence proved.